Hello everyone, my name is Raven and welcome to my Hero Engine tutorial series. In this tutorial we are going to take a look at getting assets into Hero Engine. Now I know we haven't covered very much on the interface side of Hero Engine, however one of the early things that I wanted to show you is the repository browser. And I'm logged in on my server and this is where we can add and remove assets from our game. And this acts in a way kind of like SVN, if you're aware of what it is. So once you upload it and it's sent, once all of your team members have connected at some point, we'll receive all the new and or updated assets. Okay, so Hero Engine only uses DDS textures. So we're going to use this lovely dead grass texture that I have. And it's already a power 2, and we're going to save this out. So I'm going to dump this to my desktop. Alright, I call this dead_grass_D. I use the _D postfix because it's just an old habit from working in several other engines, and the _D stands for diffuse texture. Alright, so I'm going to save it, and you will need the GIMP DDS plugin, which you can find. I will try to find it again, and if I can, I will obviously put it in the description. It may actually come with it. However, if you have Photoshop, you can grab the one from the video. And the compression, we're going to use DXT1 for the diffuse texture, and we want to check generate bitmaps, and we can leave all this at default. And then we just hit OK. Alright. Now, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm actually going to generate a normal map just to show you. A texture like this really doesn't need a normal map, but I'm going to do it anyways. Let's see. Right click, filters, map, and normal map. This is also a plugin. I'm going to set the scale up to 3 so you can really see it. Actually, I don't think this normal map is going to come out too well. No, it came out okay. Alright, so we're going to save this _in. Alright, and we're going to save this as a DXT3. I am still unsure as to which compression is best for Hero Engine, but after trying it out, this seems to work rather well. And this is mostly just to show repository browser anyhow. Okay, so now I'm just going to close out of that completely. And I'm going to put this in the engine folder, clean game, terrain maps, and I'm going to put this in sample, and I already have a few in here. For example, carpet_test is clearly not a Hero Engine asset. Alright, and I'm just going to select my 2 files, and I'm just going to drag and drop it in here. And as you can see over here, it should start transferring automatically at some point. And you'll see upload completed when it's done. Okay, so there you go. Both files are uploaded. Now if we jump over to Hero Engine and we select our terrain, and then we click the paint texture, and scroll down here, we will change our default grass. We'll use the Hero Engine path. We'll select sample, and you see we have our dead grass, and it'll take a few seconds as it streams it to our client. Alright, and then we will just do the same thing for our bump map, and then I will just scale the bump map up, and obviously it didn't really do much because, well, it did a little bit, but you can see if I remove it. But this really, normal maps aren't really too useful in grassy textures. Okay, and then we will just switch back to our game view. And now we can run around our world with our custom texture. Alright, so that is how you import assets into Hero Engine. You do the same thing for models and everything else. And you can create new subdirectories and organize it however you would like. I'll have another tutorial that covers this particular thing in a little bit more depth later on. Alright. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Check the description if you would like to get Hero Engine. And by the way, Hero Engine will be going completely free. The $5,000 fee thing, don't worry about that. That was something I was unaware of, that they were getting rid of that. And follow me on Twitter, and also stop by my Facebook page and or Steam and add me on one of them or both. Okay. I shall see you guys in the next tutorial. Thank you.